Please utilize the open lanes to the right. We wish you a safe pilgrimage.
All pilgrims, please move forward through the designated entrance. Entry is clear.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك تنقل تدقدتني
Thank you so much. May Allah bless you.
Dominic.
Please stay close to me. The crowd is dense.
Okay. Please stay close together now and follow me to the assembly point. It can be very busy here.
Okay, we understand.
Please accept this souvenir of your pilgrimage.
Thank you. May you be blessed.
Please accept this small token.
Thank you. May you be rewarded. This way to the northeast exit. Please follow the highlighted path to reach the King Abdullah Gate.
The main prayer area is straight ahead.
Thank you kindly. Jazakallah khair.